Hey guys, how's it going? It's Babul here from Bengali Cook. Guys, just want to do a quick intro onto the Bengali Cook YouTube site. And so when you first come on the YouTube site, guys, this is what you'll be presented with. I'm getting quite a few questions to see where you find what. So let's start from the beginning. So when you land on my page, you will see presented with this page. This is where you can subscribe. So please hit the subscribe button. You can also press this link where you'll also see additional links to my other social media platforms. So go ahead and check that out. So after you press subscribe, guys, you will be subscribed to my channel. So any latest video I share, you'll be able to see that. You'll notice you've also got a new feature. It's called a join button. And this is to join my inner circle where I share additional perks with yourself. So go ahead and check that out. You've got to be signed in for it. So go ahead, check that out. So home screen, you will see all the videos. So how do you navigate? If you press the video button, you'll see all of this video. Now, if you're looking for more information on the individual recipes, what you will need to do, guys, is click on the more button here, and that will expand the list. You'll see a description of what curry it is, and you'll also see links to my other platforms, other things, how you can support me, as well as you've also got the this one here where you will find the link to what other things you can go from there. The other thing you'll see is the important part. You'll see the main ingredients here. So this is where you'll get all the ingredients from that you need. Okay. So if we go back on the page, next thing you've got the usual stuff. You've got the shorts video that you'll be able to see. Well, about 60 seconds, you'll be able to see what's been going on. I normally do quick previews to let you know what other recipes are coming. My live videos, I've got a few on there where I've recorded things live, and you can follow along and cook along with myself, say from chopping the onions to cooking the curries. Okay, playlist to make things a bit more easier. We have got a organized version. So if you're looking for Indian restaurant style videos, how to do make chicken madras, whatever, you'll find all the videos in this tab. And if you want to cook some authentic home style curries, guys, you'll find it on this tab. Okay. Next, we've got our community. So this is where I share and interact with yourself, just like it's a post. So I post things on there where you can see, you can make things. So really interactive. So get ahead and get involved in that if you haven't. And then latest feature for this year, we've also got a store. And within that store, guys, you can pick up my current collection, which is a Yes Chef collection. You can get some t-shirts, some random bits and pieces. You can get some hoodies. You've also got an apron here, all in different colors. So go ahead and check that out. But most importantly, guys, just wanted to share this screen with you so you know where you can find things when you do land on my page, guys. You've got presented with this button. Hit that subscribe button, and you'll be able to see all the videos that we've got. Just follow the tabs along. All right. All the best. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.